All right, we're back with some brand new Stadium Club Chrome. That's right. Read some names. 545, here we go. Arizona, Lee G, Keith L with the Braves, Michael V with the Orioles, Wesley G with the Red Sox, David R with the Cubs, Milo with the White Sox, Eric S with the Reds, Rick G with the Guardians and Rockies, Paul H with the Tigers, Solomon with the Astros, Tom R, Royals, Yonki with the Angels, Michael V with the Dodgers, Lee G with the Marlins, Ben M with the Brewers, Sherry with the Twins, Rick G with the Yankees, Samuel C with the Mets, Gary T Athletics, David R Phillies, Kevin K Pirates, David R Padres, Rick G Giants, Dennis S Mariners, Milo F Cardinals, Tom B Rays, John B Rangers, Travis S Blue Jays, Tom B Nationals. Congratulations to everybody who won their teams. Thank you so much for breaking with Wex Zone, where we embrace the chase and let's put a smile on that face. One on-card auto in every box. Whoop, whoop.
Say that?
That says right there.
Oh, okay.
I just read it.
Not fine.
7, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so 14 packs. Empty box. Good luck to everyone. Good luck to everyone.
Oh boy, he's singing.
I love Stadium Club. That was one of my favorite basketball cards to collect back then in the 90s.
Damn, how long ago was that?
Yeah, the 90s, during the junk wax era, whatever they call it.
Who made it?
Stadium Club?
Was it always Topps?
I think it was. Yeah, it was always Topps. Yes, it was always Topps Stadium Club. I like the quality. Lots of super box. Okay. Multi-autos. Okay. Hopefully we don't have to do any randomizing. Let's go Cubbies.
Did you look at any baseball?
Like games?
Yeah.
I know there's one team that was like on a hot. Was that Seattle or who's on a hot roll or like 11-0 or something? Well, I think it was Seattle. Maybe I'm wrong. But, not really. It's too early in the season. There's too many games. It doesn't really get exciting till later on. Oh, was the Tampa Bay Rays 13-0? Damn. What's up, Tom? All right, here we go. First time opening this, so bear with me because I need to know what I'm looking for. Team of the future, Jazz Chisholm from Miami. Just want to make sure that I catch the rookies if I can find them. So this is a chrome, just a bit. Okay, it's numbered. What'd you do now?
No, we're good.
128 to 199. 128 to 199. You don't do that without telling me what's going on. Is there a nuclear fucking warhead coming, man?
No, it's pouring and I left the windows cracked open.
Baltimore Orioles.
Every single window on the car.
Oh, this one?
No.
At home?
Yeah.
Oh, Alec Thomas, rookie. So now I know where to look for that. It's a little deceiving. Spencer Torkelson, rookie. And we got a Fernando Tatis trophy hunting.
He just texted me. He's like, my phone.
Tell her, you washed it for you. Brendan Donovan, rookie.
She did it the other day.
Eli Morgan, Adrian Martinez. The Beam Team, Miguel Cabrera. Cool insert. You're going to have to check the back of these cards when you get them from me if you see that they're numbered.
Look at the Stadium Club logo. The numbered ones are colors, and refractor say refractor on the back. Thanks.
This one's out of 50. 45 of 50. So I'm going to guess this is like a gold.
Yeah.
Of Roy Campaña. Rookie Julio Rodriguez, J-Rod, Nicolodolo. What do you say about rookies again? Look at the Stadium Club logo. The numbered ones are colored, and the refractors say refractor on the backs. Gotcha.
I just read that to you.
Yeah, well, I didn't listen. Kyle Tucker, Houston National Team Leader.
Don't worry, guys. It's his first time.
It is. Matt Olson, on-card auto for the Atlanta Braves, Mr. Keith. There you go. And this one is numbered to 25, 16 of 25. Hard to see those numbers up there, but because it's gold on back green. 16 of 25, nice numbered. Matt Olson. We got Alex Fado, we got Chase Silseth, and Destiny of Spencer Torkelson. What do you say? Orange Refractor. Oranjada. Let me just make sure I didn't miss anything. You guys have nowhere to go anyway, so.
They have nowhere to go?
No. Kind of at the mercy of what I'm doing right now. Just want to make sure I don't screw anything up. All right. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it clean. Okay? Keep it clean. We got another beam team of Anthony Rizzo, R-I-Z-Z-O. We got Greg Dykman. Team of the future, Shane Boz, rookie, insert. Beam team, Freddie Freeman. This one is numbered to 99. It's 99 of 99. It's the last one on the line. So, red, looks like red. It's red. I'm going to say it's red. George Kirby. Pedro Martinez. That's a chrome.
What did you say? Where's red?
The insert you're holding.
Stadium is green, man.
Where's the green?
The logo.
Where's the green?
Stadium Club.
Yeah, but where's the green? Okay, fine. So this one is also green out of 99. Pedro Martinez. Now I see what you were saying. Didn't make sense the first 10 times. I'm just saying. Now it makes sense. I see what you guys did there. See, but like I bet you this is a chrome and I missed it, right? Refractor. Yep, here's a refractor. Son of a. The lights are not doing me any help here. Here. You know what? I'm just gonna turn it around. There's so all of the stadium clubs are always shiny. Here's another Reggie Jackson. All right. Take it easy, everyone. Reggie Jackson was also a refractor. All right.
Feel better?
No, not at all. I'm actually disappointed in myself. Anthony Rizzo insert, Trophy Hunting. Rookie of Otto Lopez. Rookie of Luis Gil. A beam team of Fernando Tatis. See, I'm just gonna do this now, and this way I know that I will be right, and that's it. That's all. That's it. We're good. Box one, like it never happened, guys. Yeah, but here's the deal. Under the lights, okay. 4 and 7, 7 and 7. Seagram 7-7. You know what? I have no excuses. You know what?
You try to go in there, you're like, no, sorry guys.
Forget it. I just suck. That's it. Breaker error. How about that? So please like, subscribe, and all that stuff. Hit the like button. I check that stuff, by the way.
Do you?
Oh yeah. Like it's always like 80%. Like 4 out of 5 people like it. Some person just feels so inclined. I'm gonna give him a negative because I didn't get any cards, or I don't like how he slams the cards, or I don't like his voice.
There you go. What, you say you don't like Max Verstappen either.
I don't like Max Verstappen.
You never met him.
But I've seen, but that's not true because I feel like I know him. After watching 4 freaking seasons of this thing, I feel like I know Max. And he rubs me the wrong way. Doesn't sound right either. All right.
Thank you guys for all your help.
Yeah, they're like this guy needs help. Like somebody bring him in. All right. Beam team rookie of C.J. Abrams, a Tommy Romero auto on card for Tampa Bay. Tom B. Rookie. There we go. Rookie of Bryce Elder. Rookie of Alfonso bless you. Rivas, bless you. And, oh, this looks cool. Kyle Tucker for Houston. This is like a wave of some sort. Right?
Yeah.
Chrome wave. De La Cruz rookie. Fairchild rookie. I'm missing you. Joe Adele Destiny. That's a chrome refractor. Emmanuel Rivera rookie. Drew Ellis rookie. We got a Detmers. Reed Detmers rookie. Team of the future. Wander Franco. Oh, that's cool. Jim Palmer. Rookie. Jake Myers. Willie Mays. Here's a Cease for the Sox out of 5. Check that out. Red. Dylan Cease. Chicago White Sox pitcher. 1 of 5. Was it 1? Yeah, 1 of 5. How about that? It's got the White Sox. Milo.
I don't know anything about Dylan. Dylan, any good, guys?
It's out of 5. He said those non-insert, the waves are super short print, so we go for pretty good. There you go. Always want to hear that anything like that. We got O'Neal Cruz. Very nice. All right. We got Lucius Fox rookie, Carlos Correa, Connor Siebold, Gabriel Arias, and we got Emmanuel Clace refractor for Cleveland. Edward Cabrera. Those are cool.
Dylan is filthy.
Dylan is filthy? Okay. You guys gonna miss one. My life. Corbin Burns was a refractor for Milwaukee. Jackson Kovar rookie. Jose Siri. Beam Team Juan Soto. Simon Muzziotti. A blue Rhys Hoskins. Blue refractor to 199. First off the line. 1 of 199. There you go. Rhys Hoskins. Blue chrome refractor. Rookie of Jeremy Pena. Team of the future Juan Soto. Ken Griffey Jr. insert. Trophy hunting. A Zach Loge for the A's refractor rookie. If I can catch it, I will catch it. I missed the rookie here, sorry. Matt Vierling, Juan Yippies, Juan Soto insert, Hunter Green rookie, Francisco Morales rookie, Spencer Strider rookie, Beam Team Ron Acuna Jr., and a Joe DiNanno. Just making sure I didn't miss something. Well, I know I already caught the other refractor, so hopefully I'm getting the hang of it. Only took me 545 breaks. All right, box 3. All right, 4 and 3 and 4 and 3, 7 and 7.
Tom's rooting you on. He wrote, "You're doing great, buddy."
Oh my God, I feel special. You got this. You got it, buddy. I feel like I'm playing
Yeah, like your
T-ball. I'm playing T-ball. Yeah. Come on, you got it. Don't worry, buddy.
Just Just hit the ball.
I'm that guy who's gonna run before the ball even gets hit. No, you have to hit the ball. You have to hit the ball. I never played baseball in school. I mean, I played like during gym, but
Not on the team.
no. And in gym, it was always softball anyway. So, but never on a team. Never organized baseball.
Tyler jumps in.
You got a little slugger. Thanks, Tyler. Uncle Tyler said I'm gonna be great.
Oh, Lord.
Is it raining that bad by your house, or
Apparently, yeah.
it's not raining over here?
Not that I know.
That's weird. Like you're like next door.
45 minutes is not next door.
All right, enough with the Sammy Long rookie. Team of the future, J-Rod. Chrome. Diego Castillo. Tommy Romero. A green, Adolis Garcia for Texas. Greens are to 99, 63, Jenny B. Spine. 63 of 99, Adolis Garcia. There you go, green refractor. It's going to be okay, Jenny. A blue refractor of Luis Severino for New York out of 199, 117 of 199.
Jenny, how wet is it?
Oh boy. Oh boy. Kyle Muller, rookie. I mean, that was good. That was good. Jose Ramirez, that's going to be a refractor.
The car.
Yeah. Is that why you're so red? Because you're talking about the car? Refractor, Cleveland Guardians. You should see how red he is. How red is the car? Brian Lavastida.
She said, "Oh, like she's mad at me probably right now. Sorry, babe."
You're done, she said. Oh man, I'm not even getting in the
I
middle.
totally forgot to tell her. I knew it was gonna storm tonight.
Aaron Judge. Well, don't say that. Why would you admit that? Why would you admit that I knew? What is wrong with you? Freddie Freeman. Joe Ryan rookie. I knew it was going to do it, but I did it anyway. No, dude. Vander Franco, Destiny rookie. Who does that? Who admits it?
I left them cracked open. You know how hot it was during the day, man? I left them open a little bit. Only to...
Oh, like, guess what? You didn't have to say that you knew that it was going to rain. Certainly could have kept that part out. All right. We got Vidal Brujan, rookie. Team of the future, Jonathan India. Duran. Contreras, rookie. We got a Bryce Harper, trophy hunting. Beam team, Rafael Devers. Iran Acuna Jr. I was gonna say this one looks cool because it's green to 99, 21 to 99. It just looks cool, man. It's all green-ish. I'm a fan. Max Scherzer. There's a lot of these trophy hunters. All right, we got rookie of Josh Winder, Binder. Jose Miranda, beam team of Vlad Jr. Mariano Rivera, team of the future Otani. Hans Kraus, rookie. A Chris Bryant for Colorado refractor. And a Alexi. It looks like there's like one refractor, just about one refractor in every 7 packs or so, or 2 per box. Is that what I'm seeing?
What do you mean?
I'm saying refractor wise. I noticed there's about 2 per box. Last box. I mean, that's what I'm noticing.
Yeah, I'm top loading all this.
Sure, why not?
So,
All right, last box. So come on, let's get that.
One in every 2 packs.
Oh, okay. That's what it says. 3, 7. I'm talking about the base refractor because there's other refractors, right? The numbered ones. So whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm good.
Well, what's that? That's okay, right?
It doesn't say refractor in the back.
No.
I think it's just chrome.
No,
He's like, no, that's not how it works.
that's not how it works.
That's not how any of this works. Football's coming up after this. Football after this. Well, we appreciate you, MT. MTF.
Where are you guys at? Where are you guys from? Or where are you located? I have so many questions.
Yeah, I mean, let's just keep going. I'm assuming that's Milo. Milo. You bought the White Sox, so maybe they're in Chicago. Maybe they're neighbors. Fellow Illini. Illinoisans. Cole Svari, rookie. Brandon Marsh. It's been a long day. There's that Wave of Destiny.
I know you're still recording.
Oh, stop. Don't even tell me. JD Adele.
Oh, you're in Aurora?
Oh, hell yeah, Aurora.
Yeah, man.
And I'll meet you at the casino right now. Colton Wecker. Team of the Future, Ron Acuna Jr. Josiah Gray, rookie. Andre Jackson. Honus Wagner, geez. Curtis Terry, that's going to be a blue to 199. 26 of 199, blue refractor. Curtis Terry, Minnesota. CJ Abrams, rookie. Zach Luge, rookie. We got Cal Raleigh. Andre Palante. We got insert of Pete Alonso. He's trophy hunting. A beam team of Pete Alonso. A Real Muto. We have a, I guess, gold. Buster Posey, San Francisco to 50. 14 of 50. What?
I love when you go, I guess gold.
I mean, it's mustard, dude. I don't know. I wouldn't say gold. Buster Posey to 50. I'm just saying. Doesn't look. Team of the Future, Alec Manoa.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate the kind words, man. Yeah, definitely not far, man.
That was the. I knew I missed it. Son of a bitch. It's all right. It's all right, everyone. I still look just to make sure. All right, last stack. Stephen Kwan, rookie. Seth Beer, rookie. CJ Abrams, rookie. It's a refractor. And Kevin Smith, green to 99. 18 of 99. Third baseman for Oakland A's. 18 of 99. Kevin Smith. There you go.
We will have more of this next week, you guys.
Ivan Castillo, rookie. Connor Siebold, orange to 25. 25 of 25 for Boston Red Sox. Connor Siebold for Wesley. Nice to 25 refractor, orange. Royce Lewis. Zach Short. Clayton Kershaw. And we got Nick Plummer. Tyler Gilbert. Beam team, rookie, J-Rod. There you go, J-Rod, beam team. Jonathan Heasley, Aaron Ashby. Team of the Future, Pete Alonso. Ryan Velade. Curtis Terry. Randy Johnson, trophy hunting. Joe Perez, rookie. Miguel Cabrera Dynasty Chrome. All right. I missed any. We'll recap as well. Okay. Here's the recap. We got Connor Siebold, orange, rookie, refractor to 25. Buster Posey, mustard gold to 50. There you go for San Fran. We got a green, trophy hunter, Ron Acuna Jr. to 99. We got a green, refractor of Adolis Garcia to 99. We have a blue Luis Severino to 199. We have a blue Rhys Hoskins blue refractor to 199. A red refractor to 5. 1 of 5. Dylan Cease. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Wait a fucking, who does this now? Green Pedro Martinez to 99.
I missed it earlier.
Yeah, you did. Freddie Freeman Beam Team green to 99. What are you doing today? Mustard gold Roy Campanella to 50 refractor. Blue refractor of Cedric Mullins. It's going to be to 199. A green refractor auto Kevin Smith to 99.
Sorry, brother. I think I blew up his ear.
Headphones alert. Oh my God. Ryan Lavastida Chrome rookie auto for Cleveland. We got a Chrome rookie auto of Tommy Romero for Tampa Bay. And then we got an orange Matt Olson for Atlanta. Nice hit. Keith L to 25. 16 of 25. Nice orange refractor. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you. We'll be right back with 546.
Thanks, David. Thanks, everyone.